The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class Coupe in diamond white metallic is not just a car. It's a statement of elegance, power, and next-level luxury. From a very first glance, this coupe captures attention with its sleek silhouette, long hood, and perfectly sculpted body lines. The diamond white metallic finish adds a premium sparkle effect under light, giving the car a jewel-like appearance that truly stands out, especially at night or under showroom lighting. Under the hood, this S-Class Coupe is expected to feature a powerful engine lineup. The base model may come equipped with a 3.0-liter inline, 6-turbocharged engine paired with EQ Boost mild hybrid technology, producing around 430 horsepower. For those seeking more performance, a V8 bi-turbo engine option could push output beyond 500 horsepower, delivering smooth yet aggressive acceleration. The car offers a seamless driving experience with its 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, ensuring stability and control in all conditions. Performance is not just about speed here. It's about comfort and precision. The 2026 model includes advanced air suspension that adjusts automatically based on road conditions, giving you a smooth, almost floating ride. Rear axle steering enhances maneuverability, especially in tight spaces, making this large luxury coupe surprisingly easy to handle. Inside, the S-Class Coupe redefines luxury. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, polished with trims and aluminum accents. The seats are not just comfortable, they're intelligent. With features like massage functions, heating, ventilation, and memory settings, every drive becomes a first-class experience. The ambient lighting system offers up to 64 colors, allowing you to customize the mood inside the car. The technology in this vehicle is cutting edge. A large OLED infotainment display dominates the dashboard, powered by the latest MBUX system. Voice control allows you to adjust settings simply by speaking, while augmented reality navigation makes driving easier and safer. A fully digital instrument cluster provides all necessary information with stunning graphics and customization options. Safety is where this coupe truly shines. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The car can even assist in semi-autonomous driving, reducing driver fatigue during long journeys. The exterior design is both sporty and elegant. The frameless doors, aggressive front grille, and LED digital light headlights give it a futuristic look. The multi-spoke alloy wheels complement the diamond white metallic finish perfectly, enhancing its premium appeal. At the rear, sleek LED taillights and a subtle spoiler add to its dynamic presence. Now, let's talk about fuel efficiency. Despite its powerful engine, the mild hybrid system helps improve fuel economy, making it more efficient compared to traditional luxury coupes. This balance between power and efficiency is one of the key highlights of the 2026 model. When it comes to pricing in the United States, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class Coupe is expected to start around $125,000 for the base model. Higher trims with V8 engines, additional luxury packages, and advanced technology features can push the price up to $160,000 or more. Optional upgrades like premium sound systems, exclusive interior trims, and performance enhancements can further increase the cost. There will likely be multiple trims available, including a standard luxury trim and more performance-focused AMG variant. The AMG version could deliver even higher horsepower, sport-tuned suspension, and a more aggressive design, catering to enthusiasts who want both luxury and speed. In terms of competitors, this coupe goes head-to-head with models like the BMW 8 Series Coupe and Bentley Continental GT. However, the S-Class Coupe stands out with its perfect blend of comfort, advanced technology, and timeless design. Driving this car is not just about reaching your destination. It's about enjoying every moment on the road. Whether you're cruising through city streets or taking a long highway drive, the 2026 S-Class Coupe delivers unmatched refinement and performance. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class Coupe in diamond white metallic is the ultimate luxury coupe for those who demand the best. It combines stunning design, powerful performance, advanced technology, and world-class comfort into one extraordinary package. If you're looking for a car that offers prestige, innovation, and a truly premium driving experience, this is a one to watch in 2026.